Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Well, today we learn the uses of future continuous tense. So, first uses of future continuous tense is when we are in the middle of work or a state in future time and beginning time of the work is not mentioned. We are in the middle of a work in future and when the work started, when the work began, this time is not mentioned, then we'll use this type of action into future continuous tense. For example, we shall be studying English language at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock, this is future time, will be in the middle of the work, that is studying English. And when the work starts, the beginning time is not mentioned. But at 11 o'clock tomorrow, will be in the middle. The work will continue. So, we shall be studying English at this time tomorrow. Second example, they will be watching, Ramayana on Doordarshan at 9 o'clock this evening. So this evening is here future time, and at 9 o'clock they are to be in the middle of work, that is watching Ramayana on Doordarshan. If someone goes to see them at 9 o'clock this evening, now this is not evening. At the time of speaking, this is not evening. Evening is to come, which is future. You can take third example, that is, I will be doing my homework at this time tomorrow evening. So again, tomorrow evening, here, I am to be in the middle of work, that is doing homework, at this time. Now let's come to second use of future continuous tense. And future activity which is planned and decided in advance, and all the arrangements have been already made. We are using future continuous tense. In the same case, you can use present continuous tense that we have studied in the last lesson. So here, example, I will be buying a car next week. Here, I am buying a car next week is also possible. Because here, buying car and this decision has been taken in advance. All the arrangements have been made in advance only. See, so I'll be buying a car next week. Money has been arranged. The car has been, talking for the car has already been made is possible. Means arrangements have been made already in advance. Now, another example, I will be joining French course class next year. See again. I will be joining French language class next year. It means you have made planning in advance and you have made all the arrangements. I will be joining French language class next year. My sister will be joining the Indian Navy in June next year. My sister will be joining the Indian Navy in June next year. Here you also can say all the plan has all the arrangements have been made in advance, and my sister is your sister has already cleared the exam. It's sure that all the arrangements have been made. It's going to join the Indian Navy. Mr. Smith will be teaching you English in the next session. So, Mr. Smith will be teaching you English in the next session. Talk is completed with Mr. Smith and all the arrangements have been already made for this future activity. Let's look at another use of future continuous tense. We use future continuous tense for an activity which is in progress in future during certain period of time. Means an activity continues in future during certain period of time. So this activity will be expressed into future continuous tense. For example, see the example. They will be working hard on the project the whole next month. It means the whole next month, the duration from first of the next month till the last date. Duration. So, working hard on the project will continue. See, so they will be working hard on the project the whole next month. Another example, she will be reading the newspaper throughout the morning tomorrow. She will be reading the newspaper throughout the morning tomorrow. Whole morning of tomorrow. This again duration, whole morning. Not certain part of morning, whole morning. Is to read the newspaper. Reading the newspaper is going to continue throughout this period of time. You can see. Now, one more example. I shall be watching the full program all along with you. I shall be watching the full program all along with you. So here all along means from the beginning. All along means from the beginning. Means You are going to watch the program, means full program from the beginning. Again duration is there during that program. Now let's discuss about the structure of sentences in future continuous tense. So structure in affirmative sentence is subject plus will or shall. When do you use will and shall? We have already discussed. Shall is used with I or we, and rest of the subjects take will. That you know very well. And in place of shall, we use will. Means with I and we, will be used, not shall. If the sentence expresses determination, as you have already discussed in classes, then it is a promise, intention. In this case, in place of shall, we use will. So here, construction in affirmative sentence in future continuous tense, subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the main verb. Plus you may use future time reference, meaning will be clearer. Future time reference means tomorrow, next year, next month, in 2021. These all are future time reference. Okay. Say the example. They, that is subject, will or shall, so will, then be, verb plus ing, studying English language at this time, then tomorrow, that is time reference. So they will be studying English language at this time tomorrow. All the words fit well on the formula. Now if the sentence is negative, you know very well, we add not after auxiliary verb or after subject. So here again subject plus will or shall plus not plus ing form of the main verb plus future time reference or other words plus full stop. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus ing form of the main verb plus future time reference plus other words plus full stop. Again see the example. They, will or shall, so the will, after there is not, so will not be. They will not, then be plus verb plus ing form. They will not be studying English language at this time tomorrow, that is future time reference. Now let's come to the structure in question sentence, interrogative sentence. So here interrogative sentences are made in two ways. First of all with the help of WH and second with the help of auxiliary verb. So here first of all with the help of auxiliary verb. Will or shall plus subject plus be plus ing form of the main verb plus future time reference plus other words plus question mark. So here the sentence is, will they be studying English language at this time tomorrow? Will they be studying English? Will they be studying English at this time tomorrow? Question mark. Now again in negative, question negative. Now question with the help of auxiliary verb. So will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus ing form of the main verb plus future time reference plus question mark. Will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus ing form of the main verb plus future time reference plus question mark. So for example, will they Will they not be studying English language at this time tomorrow? Will they not be studying English language at this time tomorrow? Now let's discuss construction of sentences in future continuous tense with the help of that is question sentence, interrogative sentence with the help of auxiliary verb. So here WH word plus shall, will or shall plus subject plus be plus ing form of the main verb plus question mark. And if you make negative, then put not after auxiliary verb, means after will and shall. So here WH word plus will or shall plus not, or after subject also may put not, subject plus not plus be plus verb plus ing form of the main verb plus question mark. Now see the example sentence. What will they be doing at this time tomorrow? What will they be doing at this time tomorrow? And in negative, you are putting not after auxiliary verb or after subject. So here don't be confused. We put directly not after auxiliary verb in question sentence or in question negative sentence or in simple negative sentence. Directly not after auxiliary verb in spoken English. But in written English, we may put not after the subject. Well, so here, what will not, what will they not, here you have put not after subject because this is written English, that's why. What will they not be doing at this time tomorrow? What will they not be doing at this time tomorrow? So here what the uses of future continuous tense we have discussed. There are 3 points. An action or state continues in future, okay, but beginning time of the action is not mentioned. An action or state which is in progress in future, but beginning time of work is not mentioned. And second is that future activity planned and arrangements already made in advance. And third is an activity continues during certain period of time in future. In these cases we use future continuous tense. Well, our students, we have learned today uses of future continuous tense. Thank you.